What's up everyone, it's Jameson from NYC Tech Club, and today I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful and professional WordPress website step by step. And you don't need to know any type of coding or programming whatsoever. It's just going to be a bunch of drag and drop and copy and paste. And by the end of this video, you're going to be able to create whatever type of layouts that you want for your own WordPress website. What we're going to do today is learn how to use the Elementor page builder. And you're going to be able to customize your website to look however you want and have whatever type of images or content or whatever layout that you want by the end of this video. So this is the demo website that you're looking at right now. And you can have your website look exactly like this. Or what you can do is go in and customize and add whatever you want or delete whatever sections that you don't want. And I'm going to show you how to do all of that in this video tutorial. So we're going to use WordPress to learn how to make our WordPress website. And WordPress is the #1 content management system on the internet. And there's a bunch of large companies that run their website using WordPress. So I'm super excited to show you how to use it. By the end of this video, you're going to learn how to make demo websites that look just like this. So if you're a developer or someone that just wants to learn how to make their own WordPress website, keep watching this video because I'm going to show you how to make a beautiful and professional WordPress website step by step using this Elementor page builder. And you can see how easy it is to use. All we have to do is just turn it on and we have all of these different elements that we can drag into our WordPress website to create whatever custom layout that we want. And we can also use these pre-made templates right here to create a page really quickly and then just go in here and just edit the content and the images and then just really customize it and make it our own. So if you want to save thousands of dollars building out your own WordPress website, then keep watching this video because I'm going to show you how to make a WordPress website step by step. So if you're ready, I'm ready. Let's get started.